Hi, my name is Craig Williams. My wife and I recently undertook 2 projects. One in the backyard where we renovated the pool surrounding the patio, new pavers, and one in the front yard where we replaced all the patio stones leading to our porch. The backyard was originally laid out in 2011, and we had noted there were a number of pavers that were starting to lift, getting uneven. We wanted something that was a little more modern looking, a little fresher looking, a little lighter in color. The Unilock Authorized Contractor that we hired was excellent right from the get-go. His communication skills were very good, stuck to his pricing module. He was very flexible in terms of meeting our needs on the fly. It was a seamless experience using him. We chose the Unilock 𝐦𝐨𝐵 stone because we really liked the look of the bigger pieces, we liked the modern look that it offered, and we liked the color that was able to set the pool off in terms of how bright it was. Now that the backyard is complete, it just looks way bigger, way fresher, more inviting to walk around on. And we're really proud of what we've done back there, and we're excited to show it to people when they come over. We were so impressed with how the backyard project had turned out that we decided that year to find the money to do the front as well. We found the front yard, especially the stairs leading to the porch, to be too narrow. My mother struggled getting up and down those stairs. She has some mobility issues. And secondly, we also wanted to extend our porch so that we had a usable space out there that we could enjoy the sun in the afternoon. Now, the stairs are much wider. My dad can accompany her up and down the stairs, and there's much less worry of her falling when she's trying to get into our house. We have a very outgoing street. By expanding the area on our porch, where we can sit out now and participate in that, have people over at the front of the house, it's been a fantastic renovation and upgrade to our porch area. My favorite part of this project is the 𝐠𝐫𝐞 border. I love the fact that it frames both the gardens and the brickwork and encapsulates the driveway. When I pull up to the house now, I can't believe that we live here. The change has been dramatic, and I'm so proud and impressed with the work that's been done and how this seemingly small change has made such a huge improvement to the home. When people approach me and ask me, about our project and whether or not they should consider something like that, I always tell them, I said, this has been an impressive transformation at our house, and I highly encourage you to consider doing the same thing.